Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's me, your boy, Shelly's Olivo. And it's 4:45 in the morning, and I'm about to eat some white rice with beans and meatballs that my mom made. You see? Black beans, white rice, meatballs with green peppers. Yep, and I'm about to eat it all in front of your faces. It's my food, and I eat it what I want. It's my food. Bon appetit. It's good. Yep. And if anybody wonders why I never have a beverage when I'm eating my food, it's because I don't know. For some reason, I drink my beverage after I finish eating. Yep. Mm-hmm. Good. Mm-hmm. Delicious. So I can see when I'm eating. Oh, it's good. It's some good stuff. Good. It makes me happy to eat. It's good. It makes me happy to eat. It's good. It makes me happy to eat. I love to eat. My most favorite thing to do. Mm, 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 mm. Let's try some of the meatball now. Mm-hmm. She's got some meatball on there. The meat. Mm, good. Some good stuff. Some good home cooked meal. None of that fat, greasy food from outside, you know? Even though I love that food too. Because it's yummy, delicious for my tummy. Mm-hmm. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I McDonald's. Mm. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving me some Dominican food that my mom made. So good. Mm. So good. I love my food. So good. I'm thinking about Miley Cyrus song right now. And we can't stop. Ooh, and we won't stop. Ooh, I will eat all of my food, and I don't care if I am fat. Cause nobody can tell me how much I can eat. Yeah, yeah. Mm, mm, mm. It's my food and I eat when I want. It's my food and I'll do what I want. It's my food. I put it in my tummy if I want. I put it in my tummy if I want. I put it in my tummy if I want. Yeah. Bon appetit. I have 9 minutes already eating this food. Well, it's because I'm talking too, you know. Mm, 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 mm. Eat my food, I eat when I want, it's my life, and I do it. I might be a bit of a heart attack. my life and I eat what I want. It's my life and I do what I want. It's my life. I be big as I want. I be big as I want. I be big as I want. Meatball. I'm almost done. The computer turned off on me. It's my life when I want to. Meatball. Oh. Mm. It's like if I have big balls inside my mouth. Then, yes, I eat all my food. That's right. Because I'm a big boy. We'll see you later, YouTube. Bye.